Hello everyone, this is my next project, a lock box for your car, truck, vehicle that blocks the clutch pedal and the brake pedal all in one, so nobody's able to steal your vehicle. This is what it looks like. It's got a kind of a jigsaw design to it. Puzzle pieces go together, then it's got a lock on it. Just goes inside, very simple. Now this is a product that already exists. I'm just going to be making my own version of it, and this is what we're going to be making. That's what it looks like in action. Let's do it. This is the style of padlock that it's going to have, a puck lock if you will. All these plates we're going to make ourselves. We're going to weld those plates on. Once again, it's going to be aluminum. So here are my pedals, clutch, brake, gas. Let's take some measurements. Alright, we took some measurements here. One-handed is not the best. So pedal to pedal, it's about 9 inches. I want 1.5 inches on either side, so +3. We're making 12 inches wide. The problem is on the photos, this is all flat. Here it goes flat, and then it comes up. This is about 4 inches by 12. I'm gonna make it come out 2 inches past here, so that lands us at the bottom here, which is from this bend here. It is 5 inches. So 5 by 12 bend up, 4 by 12. This height at the back is going to be 9 inches. I'm going to make that a little bit longer so I can cut it. So we got our feet. We're going to cut those pieces. We're going to tack them together. We're going to put it in place, clean all this shit up, and then fit as needed. Let's go. Measuring the angle. Let's go. Oh yeah, excellent. Gentlemen, this is what we have so far. We got notches there. That piece is just sitting there, notches for the pedals. We got notches here, just need to be cleaned up, just like in the photo. This angle will be adjusted. It's just up and down because of the mat. So now what we're going to do is work on the front portion for the lock. Let's go. Here are the parts. Got the lock in place. We're going to weld this together. Squared up the holes. This is going to go in here at 90. Gentlemen, there it is. Fits nicely. Scrubbed it up a bit, make it look nicer, and plus to hide the scratches. There's gonna be scratch from going in and out all the time. That's it, man. There it is. Looks good, I think. Let's get a view from the side. That's where we are so far. So now what we're gonna do is mark out the size. So I lied. We gotta make the front piece first. So here's the front piece. Got all the jigsaws notched out of it. Hole for the lock. Piece to so nobody pries the lock. And a piece for the lock so the lock doesn't go up and down. A piece 1/4 inch there. That just goes in there. Let me see. Let me do it first. Like that. Goes on there. Here's the lock that I've got. So that'll go on there. There it is. So now, put that down. Now we make this piece. This piece still can go up and down. Now we make the piece to go up the top. Okay, plates in place. Let's put the top on. Top is done, notched and profiled. Let's see if I can do this one hand. There we go. That comes in there like that. Oh man, left hand is so bad. And put the lock on. Oh, you bastard. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna switch hands. Of course, if I was doing this in real life, I wouldn't be filming this, but it would go on a lot fucking smoother. There it is. Put it back in place. And there it is. Just got to do the sides now. Any way you spin this, you cannot push the pedals. You cannot lift this up. You can't lift this out. You cannot push the pedals whatsoever. And it just fucking lives there. Hell yeah. Sides. One more jigsaw here. And we're done. Alright, here is the box. The sides are put on. That's not bad, eh? That's alright. And it's still very, very hot. The sides are both put on. You got a nice half-inch overlap. So this thing is pretty much done. It's still a bit hot here. I jigsawed and notched these out nice and square. So these stick out. This plate, the sides stick out here. Both sides. There's the bread box. I think I'm gonna. Everything is welded inside, and I'm just gonna wait till this to cool off a little bit. Then weld, stitch weld on the insides, stitch welds on the insides, and away we go. Here it is, all finished, welded on the inside. That's what we've got. Alright, let's install this thing. So first things first, we're going to put the base on. Just like that. Next comes the lid. Just like that, and then the lock. We're going to unlock it. Okay. Put it into a much more feasible position for me. Locked and solid. There it is. It's done. Let's take a look. It's done. It's locked. Nobody can drive it away. Alright. If you have any other anti-theft devices, I'd love to hear about them. Thank you for watching.